Dear friends, my name is Andrey Lobov, and I am the Technical Director of the Resurs Cooperative. I want to share some exciting news. Very soon, we are heading to Africa, where I will take part in the International Solar Group Conferences. They will be held in South Africa and Nigeria. I will talk about the advantages of the unique Slavyanka electric motors with combined windings. These motors have a number of exceptional advantages over traditional solutions and can significantly increase the efficiency of any equipment. We have developed special kits with these motors that are suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from cars and tricycles to motorcycles, boats, and even powerful all-terrain vehicles. Some models are already successfully undergoing testing and are ready to be launched into mass production. If you are an engineer interested in new technologies, or an entrepreneur looking to take a promising position in the rapidly growing electric transport market, this conference will be the perfect place to get acquainted with our project. I look forward to seeing everyone at the Solar Group Conference in Africa. See you soon.